Hello students, this is demonstration of the famous Apollonius theorem. This theorem is regarding the median of a triangle. So let us see the demonstration of this theorem. Consider the triangle ABC and D is a midpoint of BC, so AD is the median. Now we want to prove that AB square plus AC square equal to 2 into bracket AD square plus BD square. Now consider these two right angle triangles. This side, this is right angle. This side is AC. Okay. This side is AB. Then by Pythagoras theorem, this side is square root of AC square plus AB square. Now consider this right triangle. This side, this is right angle. This side is BD. Let us check this. And this side is AD. Okay. Now consider a right angle triangle. This is an isosceles right angle triangle. This means the length of this side is same as the length of this side. And if you check the hypotenuse of this triangle, it's same as this side. Now this is a right angle triangle with sides AD and BD. So by Pythagoras theorem, the length of the hypotenuse is square root of AD square plus BD square. And this hypotenuse, length of this hypotenuse is same as the length of this side. Now consider this triangle. This length is square root of AD square plus BD square, and this length they are same. So what is formula for area of triangle? You know, that is half base into height. But here base and height are same. So area of this triangle is half into AD square plus BD square. Now consider 4 such congruent triangles and place them like this. And consider this right triangle and place it here. Already we have seen that area of one triangle is half AD square plus BD square. Now these are 4 triangles, so 4 multiplied by this area of one triangle, that is the sum of all these 4 areas of all these 4 triangles is 2 into bracket AD square plus BD square. Now if you consider this right angle triangle, then what is length of this side hypotenuse is square root of AB square plus AC square. Now this is side of a square, and we know that area of a square is side square. So what is area of a square from this triangle? From this triangle, this side is AB square plus AC square and its square root. Now the area of this square is square of the side, that is AB square plus AC square. So if you consider directly the side of this square, then area is AB square plus AC square, which is left hand side. If you consider these 4 triangles, then sum of the areas of these 4 triangles gives us the area of this square. And we know that the sum of the areas of all these 4 triangles is 2 times AD square plus BD square. Thus the result is verified. Thank you.